Okay, we're going to start off by going to employee management, employee pay, and then salary. From here, you're going to go ahead and find the employee who you're looking to make a change for. Now you'll see this employee is a current employee because she already has a pay rate in here. So it is always recommended to add a new pay rate versus editing an old one. This is because it creates a history. All right, so let's go ahead and add a new pay rate. For the record type, there are a couple of options. Current change is going to be in the current pay period that you're in. So if you make a change and you keep it at the record type for current change, it's going to happen in this pay period that you are in now. For future change, if I go ahead and click on this, I'll just show you really quickly. Future change, you can click any effective date that you want. So if you want to do it for a future pay period, you can go ahead and then change the effective date to whatever that future date may be. For this instance, we're going to go ahead and do a current change. Now, the effective date you'll see was today. So you will go ahead and keep it at that for current change, and that again will be effective this pay period. Change reason, you can go ahead and pick the one that best fits for the situation. This is going to be for a promotion. For the pay type, you will see you have hourly, salary, hourly, auto, which is like a automatic hourly, same hours every pay, 1099 or salary with variable entered hours. So for this instance, we're going to go ahead and keep it at hourly. Now, the pay group. A company may have one or multiple pay groups. The pay group selected will determine on which payroll schedule the employee will be paid, such as weekly or semi-monthly. The pay group will default to the employee's current pay group, but it can be changed at any time. So we will keep that at bi-weekly. The frequency will default to the payroll frequency associated with the pay group, so this should not be changed. And you'll also see that the normal hours was auto-populated based on the pay type that we selected above, as well as pay group. Now, in the next section, these 4 lines here, the percent increase, annual salary, and per pay salary and hourly rate. You are only going to put in one of these 4. And what's going to happen, as you'll see, if I go ahead and enter 40 for the new hourly rate, all of the others will auto-populate. So you'll just want to make sure, just enter one of these. You can simply hit tab or just click off of the screen, and you will notice they all populate. Now, if you want to add notes for this change, you can absolutely do so in this notes section. And last but not least, the Create Change in Normal Hours Life Event Record. When this box is checked, the life event record will be created and may cause the employee to become eligible to enroll in a benefit plan. So let's just say this employee worked 20 hours prior to this change, but now they're going to be working 40. They will then, I should say, have the option to maybe enroll in benefits, etc. So we're going to go ahead and check that. And then once we've done that, we're just simply going to hit save, and you will see the new record is updated.